Ready for a fast win on your M ASCP practice test prep? In this video, you'll see exactly how to crush your M ASCP practice test and the strategies top lab technologists use to pass. Stick around for one tip most people miss. You want real M ASCP practice test answers? Fast your prepping for your Microbiology Technologist certification. MLSIacademy.com is built for lab pros chasing ASCP success here. It's all about focused exam strategies, proven study resources, and what works. Let's get straight into what matters on the M ASCP practice test. First tip, know the exam format. You'll get 100 multiple choice questions. There's a 2-hour, 30-minute time limit. Questions are delivered by computer adaptive testing. If you get one question right, the next is harder if you miss. The next is easier, no skipping. Every question counts toward your score. Second tip, study the key content areas. You'll face tough cases in bacteriology, virology, mycology, parasitology, pre-analytic procedures, and lab operations. Don't just memorize facts. Practice with realistic test simulations to master these domains. Third tip, avoid common myths. A high percentage doesn't guarantee a pass. Scoring is adaptive. Aim to answer consistently above the pass point. Check official ASCP eligibility and exam info on their website before you register. Thousands of lab techs have passed with MLSI Academy's expert-led study guides, live classes, and huge QBank. To recap, your M ASCP practice test covers microbiology concepts, adaptive testing, and a huge range of clinical domains. MLSIacademy.com gives you every tool to prep with absolute confidence. Next up, we'll break down the best M ASCP practice questions. Subscribe or check the channel for that deep dive.